have a few things to say about the things that I'm about to unbox for you, and I'm not quite sure what to say right now because I feel like if I start, I'll just start rambling and tell you everything before the intro. So let's just skip ahead and say I have two packages to unbox for you from Coach. These are both brand new, directly from Coach. This is a Runway item, a very limited release. The item in the envelope is an online exclusive. So let's just get into it, shall we? Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. In the box is a handbag, and this is a very special handbag because it is from the 2024 Spring Runway collection. They released several bags from there, and this is one of them. And I'm doing this video in collaboration with Winnie B LV. I'm very happy about that. We both got different bags from the collection, and I will have her video linked below, so make sure you go check hers out and see. Not only are they different bags, but they're different colors. So you can check those out. So far I haven't seen videos on these yet, so hopefully that'll help you out when you're deciding which of these bags you might want to get. The item in the envelope comes in a little drawstring pouch, which is nice. Wasn't expecting that. And this is something I've had my eye on for quite a long time, months if not a year or so. And since it's an online exclusive, I've never been able to see it in person. I've seen some similar things in the Coach stores and have liked them, but just have never picked them up for one reason or another. So I was already buying this, and I happened to come across this on the website, so I thought that I would go ahead and give them a try. And this is these Coach earrings. Now, if you've ever looked at Coach jewelry, you may have seen something like this before, where they have these hoop earrings that are their C logo. I really like these. They do several versions of them. I wasn't sure exactly what size these would be. You can't always tell from the pictures. And these in particular, it might be a little bit difficult to see, but they have crystals running along the center there. And they do go all the way around the C on the outside, except for where the hinge is at the bottom. So let's get these on and see how they look. There's maybe a little bit better look than what you could see with the little black paper on it. So crystals there, and then around the back, crystals on the other side. And the way it opens is just pulls apart like that. It has that little hinge at the bottom. There is a little notch on the end of the post, so you can hear it click into place. And I'll tell you, a lot of the times when I see Coach jewelry on their website, but then I go into the store and I look at it in person, I'm not so impressed in person. A lot of it to me looks pretty cheap and not worth the prices that they ask. But I'll bring these up closer. These do look really nice to me. So this will give you a sense of the size of them. I did want something that was kind of small, not too big. I think that works pretty well. And there's a little bit of a side view. I can't get too close or the camera won't focus, unfortunately. So I'm very happy with those. So those are a keeper. So I will link all that below. Let's get into this box and see what handbag could possibly fit in this tiny little box. All right, let's see what bag I got in here. And again, make sure you also go check out Winnie B LV's channel and see what different bag she got from this collection. Now, I am gonna tell you right up front here that I'm pretty sure I'm returning this bag. There were a few different sizes of this. The biggest one would have worked best for me, but it sold out before I could make a decision on whether to buy it because it was a little expensive and I didn't really want to spend that much on it. And then I bought this one, which is probably realistically going to be too small for me, but I had a little bit of that fear of missing out thing. I'm not subject to that very much, but in this case, I knew that it was going to sell out, and they have since sold out. I wanted to get one, and I know that also when they do these runway drops that are early releases for upcoming collections, that sometimes they change the bag or they change aspects of the bag. Here's a little Coach card. So I wanted to at least have a chance of getting the one that might be the better one. Oh, it's squishy. Does that give you an idea? So here it is in the dust bag. And I have a few Coach runway bags. This would be number 4, I think. So Rexy up here is a Coach Runway from fall 23. And then I have two Coach cash-in bags, the re-released cash-in bags that are limited edition runway pieces too. That's one of the great things that I really enjoy about Coach. Even though, yeah, their prices are going up like everybody else. Oh my gosh, this bag is so soft. It's still a lot more attainable to get limited edition pieces, runway pieces, artist collaborations from Coach than it is anywhere else, particularly luxury brands. Also, I don't know, I say I'm probably going to return this, but I saw a photograph a few minutes ago on Facebook of someone who got this bag, but the bigger size. And oh my gosh, it was so pretty. You know, sorry to delay the unboxing here, but you know how sometimes you'll see a bag in the company's listings and the photographs that they've taken of it, the promo photos, and it looks amazing, but then you start seeing people get the bag and you see their photos or their videos and it doesn't look so great, but sometimes it looks even better. That's one of these. So I'm curious to see what this really looks like in person. All right, let's do it. Here we go, dust bag is coming off, and it is the Coach Quilted Tabby in the size 20. The bigger one was the 26 centimeter, this is just 20. They released those two sizes, and they also released a wristlet that was just slightly smaller than this size. This is very small. It's very boxy too, I'm noticing. One of the things that I think people really like about the design of this bag, and let me take that piece of, I'm not going to unwrap the whole thing because I'm pretty sure I'm returning this, but I will take that little plastic flap off so you can see the front of it better. It is so super soft, it feels like lambskin. So one of the things people like so much about the Coach Quilted Tabby is that it has so many similarities in the design to a Chanel flap bag at a much more affordable price. I mean, this is a few $100s compared to many, many thousands, right? So one of those similarities, of course, is the quilting. The very soft leather, you've got a logo on the front, happens to also be a C. The side looks very similar to a Chanel bag. You do have a back pocket that goes the entire width of the bag, which is really nice. There's no magnet here, it's just open to a textile lining. When you open this bag, it's just a snap. It's similar if you saw the Tabby Messenger, which was released, I think it was spring 23 that one came out. It has a very similar clasp, but the Tabby Messenger had a little button you had to push on the side. That does not have it here. So you open that flap up, you have all leather along that inner lining. You have a flap here, which wasn't very clear in the photographs. Oh, it has a magnet on it to keep that closed. That's nice. It has like a little button magnet, but there's no snap. And the writing there says the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. On the clasp, it says Coach. And notice also that this is silver hardware. I did kind of a rundown of the 24 spring Coach runway show. So if you're interested in hearing what I have to say about that, I will link it below. But one of the things that I noticed is that the Quilted Tabby bags that were in the show had a few differences from these that they released on the website. One being the ones in the show all had that brassy gold colored hardware, and these all have silver. That's another reason I wanted to grab one of these, because of the silver hardware. Another thing that's very Chanel-esque is that the strap, it's a chain strap with the leather woven through it, just like Chanel does. All right, so when we open this bag up, we have that magnetic flap, and then inside, this is another thing I don't like about it, it has a divider. On the size 26, the divider has a zipper. This one does not, it's just a divider. There's no storage inside the divider. So we have a little bit of space back there, and then they have this stuffed. So there's a little bit of space in there too, so you can see the two different compartments there. Those are textile lined, not leather lined. You've got your Coach Creed, and in this there are no zippers inside. It's just those two compartments and your magnetic compartment here. I mentioned earlier that the bag is a little stiff. Now Chanel Classic Flap will be stiff on the bottom too, where it does not collapse. A reissue will collapse. It's made to fold flat, so you can put it in your suitcase. So this is more of a stiff, boxy bag, even though it has that nice quilting on it. So now I'll show you this bag in comparison to a couple of others that you might be familiar with to give you an idea of the size. We'll put a few things in here to give you an idea of what it would fit. I'm not going to take all the covering off the chain strap because I'm returning it, but I will take this little piece of masking tape off and do mod shots for you, because you can wear this as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. But let's see how long that crossbody strap actually is. Here it is next to the Coach Cassie. This is the full-size Cassie, not the 19. So you can see that it is quite a bit smaller than that. The width is similar. I guess this one's a little bit wider, but overall you'll fit a lot less in this quilted tabby. Here it is next to the Tory Burch Kira crossbody bag. Those are more similar in size. However, that Kira crossbody is not as boxy. It's really squishy. So it's going to give you more space and you'll be able to hold more in there. The Kira does not have a back pocket, but you get a lot of the same things. You get the chain strap, not leather running through it. You get quilted leather, you get more space. Plus the crossbody does not have a divider. It just has this pocket here. And here it is next to the Longchamp Le Pliage in the extra small size. That bag has a lot of space, even though it looks like a small bag. You'll be able to fit a lot more in here than you will in here. Now, in terms of what fits, let's start with the phone test. Now, my phone is an iPhone 10. It's the regular size phone, not the giant phone. First thing I'm curious about is whether it will fit in that back pocket. I think it will. So let's slip it in there. It does. It sticks out a little bit on the top, but that's not a big deal. And it doesn't feel like it would stretch it out too much where I'd be concerned about misshaping the bag or leaving marks in it. I think that would work really well. I do have a thin case on it. Let's see if it fits in that magnetic pocket inside. If you wanted it a little more secure, stick it in there. Definitely fits. I'm sure they were thinking about that when they designed these bags. And can I still close it? I absolutely can, yes. And since it fits in those pockets, I know it's going to fit inside either of those compartments in the bag there. So I think if I was carrying this, I would keep my phone in that back pocket, so I'm gonna put it back there. Let's see if a Louis Vuitton Agenda PM would work in here. Sort of. It sticks up a little bit. If I push it all the way over to the side, I've got that much space left. That's about 1.5 inches or so. So that takes up almost half of the bag, but that would be a must for me most times I go out because that's my little notebook. Here's a zippy coin from Louis Vuitton. Let's see if that fits. It does. It takes up a little bit less space, so you've still got a little bit of space on the side there and a whole other compartment. Since that notebook fit, we know that a passport is going to fit in there. There's what a passport looks like. Let's see if the passport would fit in that magnetic pocket on the front. I think it may be too tall. Yeah, it's too tall. That flap won't close. Since those things fit, a card holder will certainly fit in the compartments, and that's going to give you the most space for carrying your money and then still having room for other things. And will that fit in the magnetic compartment in the front? Yes, it will. It fits down in there, and then you can still close it with no problem. Another thing I carry often are my sunglasses in the Louis Vuitton Lunettes PM case, and those fit in there too, but again, it takes up most of one of the two compartments. So let's see, if I was gonna carry my Agenda PM, oh, you know what? Will that close? Hold on. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do my zippy coin. Now with those, it's not going to fit the sunglasses, of course. I could still squeeze in my passport if I need to, but I'm really starting to bulk the bag out at that point where I'm not, yeah, it's not gonna close there. So let's take the passport out. Still won't close. A lot of that is gonna have to do with the Agenda being so tall. So if I take that out, and let's put the sunglasses in there. So it's still the same bulk, just we don't have the height of that. That will close. So that's good. So you can fit that Agenda in, but you can't have, are you gonna open again? That was a little bit difficult. You can't have a whole lot else in there if you decide to carry the Agenda. And let me take the zippy coin and the sunglasses out and just put the Agenda in. See if it'll close there. And it will. So you could have your Agenda and small things on the front, but nothing as bulky as a zippy coin. All right, now let's do some mod shots. So here it is over the shoulder, and that's a pretty good length, I think. Feels good to put your hand there. This is doubled, by the way, the strap is doubled like that. And then there it is crossbody. So for me, that sits a little bit high. So that's another validation for me to return this and maybe go with the larger size instead later. But depending on your height and your girth, it could work better for you. The strap, of course, is not adjustable since it's a chain. Please make sure you go over to Winnie BLV's channel. I'll have her video linked below, and check out her review of a different bag from this same line. So if the Coach Quilted Tabby is a bag that you've had your eye on, I hope this video was helpful and answered some of the questions or concerns you may have had. And thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.